quick video to show you that the USB adapter to the VRC game is working. I had to reload the uninstall the original program, reload it according to their tech support, and now it is working. Just so you can see, I'm gonna do this as best I can. The car, I'm giving throttle. There goes the car. I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. Quick space bar. Space bar, put the car back. Okay, I'm just going to do a complete circle here. Let's see, I have my thumb on the steering wheel. But it is working. Turn the other way. Now. Doing some donuts. So, quick video just to show you that the adapter is working. Just had to install the right driver. Uninstall the original program, reinstall it, and the driver updated on its own.